Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 Chevrolet Cruze LT in Champagne. It has black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch with a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, and it's a front wheel drive with an automatic transmission. It also has a reverse camera as well as a little bit of a spoiler. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered, and you have your lighting controls located here. The steering wheel can tilt, and on the face of it is your cruise control. You also have dash controls, hands-free dialing, and there's a little button off on the side, on the back side of your steering wheel for your volume. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you've also got your odometer reading, and then you can toggle through the menu. In the center, you have your display screen, and when you put your vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera. There you go. You can go into audio settings, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. You can go back home by hitting the little house, and there's different options in there. You also can subscribe monthly to OnStar, which gives you other features. And below that is your climate control. There's your fan, AC, as well as heated seats for driver and passenger, front and rear defrost. And down below you're seeing your 12 volts, as well as USB and auxiliary line in. Automatic select shifter, and your traction control, a couple of cup holders. You've got a little bin right beside you, and your armrest opens up, and there's lots of storage inside there. Your glove compartment's off to the right there, and you have a manually dimming rear view mirror. There's the buttons for the OnStar, so if you subscribe, you have that option. And as well, you have your lighting controls, and there's a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, body color door handle with ease of entry, so when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors by pushing the button. In the back, you have a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and you also have your backup camera that's projected from above. And when you're ready to open up the hatch, you simply put your hand in the latch and open it up easily. Inside, it's nice and roomy. You've got a little tonneau cover. There's also some all-weather mats there. And then when you're ready to close it all up, there's actually a handle on the right-hand side. You simply put your hand in underneath, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then just lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you also have a center armrest. When you're ready to bring the seat down, simply pull the tab at the top, and down it goes. You're seeing those all-weather mat. There's a little tonneau cover, and on the back of the seats are anchors to be able to tether baby seats. And then simply give the seat a push back into the upright position. On the floor, there's carpeted mats, some pockets on the back of the front seat, and down below there, you're seeing a USB outlet. Up above, there's hooks and lighting. Passenger side fuel cap, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.